Welcome to another video of detailed math solutions. In this video, I'm going to show two methods to find the equivalent polynomial of the trinomial square displayed on the screen. The first method to solve this exercise is by using the formulas for binomial squares a plus minus b in parentheses squared. In order for me to use these formulas, I need to write the trinomial 2 squared plus y minus 2z in parentheses squared as, in square parentheses, 4 plus y in parentheses minus 2z, closing square parenthesis, squared. When I do that, 4 plus y will correspond to the a in the formula, and 2z will correspond to the b in the formula. And when I apply the formula for binomial square a minus b in parentheses squared, this equals to 4 plus y in parentheses squared minus 2 times 4 plus y multiplied by 2z plus 2z in parentheses squared. This equals to, next, I need to apply the formula for binomial square a plus b in parentheses squared. 4 will correspond to the a in the formula, y will correspond to the b in the formula. So when I apply the formula, I get 4 squared plus 2 times 4 times y plus y squared. Minus, next I have 2 times and 2z multiplied by 2z. This way I get negative 4z in front of parentheses, and in the parentheses 4 plus y. Plus, then I need to distribute the exponent, or I get 2 squared z squared. 4 squared is 16 plus 8y plus y squared minus, I need to open parentheses. To do that, I need to multiply 4z by 4 and then by y. When I do that, I get 16z minus 4yz plus 4z squared. The second method to solve this exercise is by using the formula for trinomial square a plus b plus c in parentheses squared. In order for me to use this formula, I need to write the trinomial 2 squared plus y minus 2z in parentheses squared as 4 plus y plus, in parentheses, negative 2z, closing parenthesis, closing square parenthesis, squared. This way, 4 corresponds to the a in the formula, y corresponds to the b in the formula, and negative 2z corresponds to the c in the formula. Therefore, when I apply the formula, this equals to 4 squared plus y squared plus negative 2z squared plus 2 times 4 times y plus 2 times 4 times negative 2z plus 2 times y times negative 2z. And when I simplify further, I get 16 plus y squared plus 4z squared plus 8y minus 16z minus 4yz. As expected, this polynomial is the same that I found with method 1. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the like button. I'm thrilled that you joined me and look forward to sharing my other videos. Please click on any video displayed on the screen to see more detailed math solutions.